Okay, hi teacher. Hi everyone. This is Edward again. And so I'm going to continue with this activity. 15 English sentences. Right. Let's start. Right, so I got 8 sentences here. I'm going to read it. She gets up early in the morning. She has a shower after get up. She has breakfast at 7:30 a.m. She goes to the school at 8 a.m. She goes at home at noon. She has dinner at 6:10 p.m. She watches TV after dinner. Finally, she goes to bed at 10 p.m. You can see the picture as well. 7 sentences. She has to do the laundry. He has to mow the lawn. She has to feed the dog. She has to walk the dog. He has to clean the car. She has to do the dishes. He has to take out the garbage. That is all. Thanks.